The number of people trying to convince you that you can become a trader in 2 months has gone significantly up in these last 2 years. Millions of demat accounts have been opened, especially by those who are stuck into the rat race and want to get out. And what do you think happens when someone who is looking for an Aladdin's magic lamp meets someone who is selling it? Well, that's exactly what has happened in Indian stock market teaching industry in these last couple of years. People are convinced that it takes no time to become a successful trader. All you have to do is attend one workshop. But if you are watching this video, then it probably means that you know what the reality is and how difficult it is to become a successful and a consistent trader. It takes years, if not decades, to understand the market dynamics, and then to execute those learnings without any emotions is a whole different ballgame. It takes 4, 5, 6 years for people to even have a glimpse of consistency while trading, and to keep up with time while failing all these years isn't as easy as it might sound. But I'm not here to talk about how to cope up with failures in these years or how to stay patient with time. That's a topic for another day. What I'm here to talk about is a rather surprising question. And it might not be as surprising to the newbies of the market, but it definitely is to the people who know what trading is, who know how difficult it can be to make consistent profit in markets, and most importantly, who know how difficult it can be to create the kind of mindset that will sustain over the years. So here I am to discuss if one can become a successful, disciplined, and a consistent trader in 2 years. Let's begin. Successful trading is more about understanding your own self than it is about understanding markets. And most people fail to recognize this fact. Your own behavior at different situations gives you more insight than anyone or anything else can ever give. Trading is rewarding when you know what you are doing. And to know what you are doing, you need to be in control of yourself. And to be in control of yourself, you need to have a strong mind. And this is another fact that people often tend to miss out on. Most people think successful trading is all about good strategies. Give me one good strategy and I'll start to make money. Well, I'm sad to say that's not even close to the truth. Strategies play a very little role when it comes to successful trading. To be very honest, successful trading is more about mindset. It's 98% mindset and probably 2 or less than 2% strategy. When you have a strong mindset, that is when you actually become a successful trader. It's not about strategies, but people are convinced otherwise. All these fake traders, fake gurus, scamsters have marketed themselves in such a way that most people now think that all they need is one good strategy and they'll be consistent as a trader. And as I said, it's not even close to the truth. Now you might ask, hey Shrish, if that's not the truth, then what is the truth? Well, the truth is you don't need a good strategy, but a good mindset to be a successful trader. And I keep talking about mindset, but what exactly is mindset? Well, mindset is basically a combination of multiple things. Mindset is something that you develop over the years, trading markets, understanding yourself. And it does not come easy. It does not come within months. It does not come within weeks. It takes years, sometimes it takes decades to have the kind of mindset that will help you sustain in market over the years. Now, as I said, mindset is a complex thing. It's about everything. It's about simple things like cutting losses short, riding winners long, but it's also about understanding complex things about market, that there is manipulation and how to benefit out of those manipulations. So it's not one thing in particular that this thing is mindset. It basically is your mind about understanding market over the years. So on year 1 as a trader, you will understand something about markets that you didn't know about. On the second year, you will know something more about markets. On the third year, you will discuss something that you probably didn't even know existed. So there are these things that combine into one thing that you keep learning over the years, and that basically is what forms a good mindset of a trader. Now let's come to the actual question. Is it even possible to become a successful trader in 2 years? Well, I cannot say no, nothing is impossible, but it's highly unlikely to become a consistent and successful trader in 2 years. Why? Because as I said, You discover things over the years that help you form your mindset, and that mindset is what basically helps you become a trader. So, well, see, there's always some space for ultra pro max level stuff, right? So this is that ultra pro max level stuff. It is not impossible, it is very difficult, because as I said, to be a successful trader, it is about the mindset, and creating the kind of mindset that will sustain in markets takes years. So if you want to become a successful trader in 2 years, you need to have a good learning skill, you need to grasp what market is trying to teach you, you need to have a good control over yourself and your emotions, and lastly, you need to understand that you cannot afford to repeat any mistake, not even twice. So if you can pull off that everything within 2 years, then maybe you have a chance. So I hope you liked this video, I hope you learned something out of this video, and if you did, then make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, because I keep coming back with such videos that revolve around trading, trading psychology, trading consistency, trading success. Everything that you need to know about trading, you will find on this channel. So make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, you guys take care. Bye bye. Peace out.